So we are here on this console, and first thing I did was to label my channels so that while mixing it will be so easy for me to identify each channels and to get my cables right. And so far we've done sound check and we've checked each lines, and each lines are working perfectly now. So when the background vocals are here and other instrumentalists, we complete the whole sound check. Yeah, basically. So we are at Arise and Shine Parish here at Arepo, Lagos Province, 51. Yeah, if I'm correct. So, and the sub is on Sen 1. We have our monitors on Sen 2. Here we are using the JBL mic, and yeah, basically it's just a basic setup actually. So here we have the crossover, the left channel on channel 1 of the EQ, and the right channel of the master left is on the channel 2 of the EQ. And of course the crossover, we have our sub on the crossover. On this amplifier here, we have the monitors, right? As you can see, monitor right and monitor left, and we have our FOH right and FOH left. So basically, and here we have the sub right and the sub left. So see, basic something. Yeah, so one thing I also did was I rearranged the lines. I like my instruments to be on one side, and I like my vocals to be on the other side. Yeah, we are done, yes, for now. Yeah, so we have the talking drum, floor tom, the kick, tom 1, tom 2. The snare is not mic, probably the mic is I don't know what happened to the mic, but we'll figure out that later before the show starts. And so I have my lead mic 1 here with the JBL. I have one of these as the lead mic 1 and 2, and the background vocals, and I have my loop here. So background vocals 3 and 4 basically. Yeah. So I'll see you when the show starts. Stay sharp.